Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Durga Prasad Vidya Vision. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video lesson, we are going to study about the second part of the reading A under the personality development, and the lesson name is Attitude is Altitude. It is the second part of the series. Okay, we have discussed something about Nick in our last lesson, in the video lesson. Okay, now this is the second part. Let's start. Due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage, although he has had long term girlfriends in the past. Okay, so this paragraph tells us that Nick had a deep faith in Christianity, and he is an evangelical Christian. Evangelical Christian means a person who has deep faith in Bible and deep faith in Christianity and strictly following the uh, that rules and regulations put forth by the religion. Okay, and here Nick decided that he wanted to remain virgin. Virgin means its literary meaning is unused, but here without coming in contact with any girl physically. That means even he had long term girlfriends in the past, but later on he decided not to make any physical contact with any girl until his marriage. Okay, he is very modest, but he gets marriage proposals from women all the time, said Nick's friend and publicist Steve Apple from Los Angeles. Okay, even if Nick is getting marriage proposals, and that was disclosed by one of his closest friends, Steve Apple, who is a publicist and living in Los Angeles, and mm, but Nick is waiting for the right kind of girl to get married. Okay, he would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. Okay, here we came to know that even if he is getting the marriage proposal, but he is waiting for the right kind of girl to make his life partner. Next, water sports are not Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club. Even if he is a torso and he is interested in some kind of sports and games, and among them he plays golf and mm, with a club. Okay, and now the question is, how he has no arms and legs, how can he play golf? And tucking, that means keeping that club under his chin, and he is playing the golf. And apart from that, he is a huge fan of the English Premier League. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, even if he is a torso. Torso means, in our last class we discussed that means having the main part of the body without head and limbs, but here Nick is a kind of torso, with head and without limbs. And in spite of his disability, his parents decided, insisted him, forced him to go to the mainstream school instead of going to the special school. And this decision, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. First of all, the decision was very difficult for Nick to pull through, but later on he understood that why his parents had taken such kind of decision, and their main intention was to make him independent. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. And it is obvious that every parent expects their children to be very nice and lovely. But as Nick was born without arms and legs, when his father saw him in the hospital room, and he was very much shocked and surprised, and immediately he left the hospital room to vomit outside. And his distraught means very upset, mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. And even his mother didn't touch him when until Nick became 4 months old. Next, his disability came without any medical explanation, and here Nick was suffering from a kind of medical disorder, and that is a rare occurrence. That means which happens very rarely, and it was called pocomalia. And Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. And Nick's parents did not expect such type of child. Nick was born without arms and legs, so that's why the cruel trick which was imposed on them by the God, and they were blaming themselves, and they lost their hope in God also. Mm, Next, my mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. So, being his mother was a nurse, and being a nurse, she knows it very well that what type of precautions should be taken during the time of pregnancy, and she had taken all types of precautions and steps. But instead of all these things, Nick was born without arms and legs, so for which her mother is blaming herself. It was so hard for them, but right from the start, they did their best to make me independent. Nick was saying that even if mm, to teach me something, or to make me independent, my parents they thought from right from the starting, and they did their best to make me independent. My dad put me in water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. Okay, when Nick was 18 years old, his father put him into the water, and the intention was Nick will try his best to come out of the water. In the process, he could learn the swimming. I also got really into uh, football and skateboarding. Apart from swimming, his parents uh, taught him, and Nick is interested in playing football and skateboarding. Skateboarding means, it is a kind of sports where wheels will be there, and sliding on the wheels, rolling on the wheels, the sportsman can move. Okay, according to the speed. So I totally love the English Premier League, and Nick was a huge fan of English Premier League, apart from playing football and skateboarding. And here we'll stop stop our this part, and we'll continue in our next part, and basing upon these passages, and here are some questions, and now we are going to discuss. Question number 1: what has Nick chosen to remain until marriage? Nick wanted to remain virgin until his marriage. Okay, question number 2: who told that Nick was modest? Modest means honest, and got marriage proposals from many girls. Nick's friend and publicist Steve Apple from Los Angeles said this statement. Question number 3: what does the phrase right girl mean in Nick's life? The right girl here means is the person who could understand Nick's feelings and accept him with his disability. Question number 4: what does modest mean in this context? Modest means humble, not proud, honest, or without boasting himself. Question number 5: what are the sports Nick is interested in? Nick is interested in water sports, golf, and apart from that, he is a huge fan of English Premier League. Question number 6: what does special school in the sentence mean? The special school means it is a school for children with special needs. That means it is a school which is meant for physically and mentally challenged children. Here you can see Nick is with his parents, and in the side you can find Nick's sister, his brother, and Nick is with his wife, and you can see here Nick is with his wife and his son. Okay, these are the some of the photographs which were related to Nick's family. Here you can see Nick was writing with a pen and skateboarding, and in one of the pictures Nick is giving the motivational speech to the audience, and here you can see that he was using a kind of electric wheelchair for his mobility. So coming to question number 7: in which school Nick's parents want him to join? The answer is in a mainstream school or a regular stream school. Question number 8: why was his parents' decision seemed to be very hard for Nick? Answer: it seemed to be very hard for Nick because there was the risk of being teased and bullied by his classmates and other children. Question number 9: what is meant by pocomalia? Answer: it is a rare physical disability without having a medical explanation. Question number 10: how did Nick's father give him courage to learn how to swim? By putting him in the water at the age of 18 months. Question number 11: what did his parents try for right from the beginning? Answer: right from the beginning they tried their best to make Nick independent. Question number 12: what did his father do when Nick was born? Answer: he was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. Question number 14: how much time did it take for his mother to hold Nick? Answer: 4 months. With this, we conclude this video lesson. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.